Good morning. Be relaxed. Today we'll be seeing yogic practices for the high BP, hypertension. This is the very common problem. Most of the people get this problem due to stress. That is the main reason. There are many reasons for hypertension, but the main reason is stress. Essential hypertension is due to the stress, and that is nowadays more and more in many people. So we'll see one by one reason and what are the solution for that. The best mudra, hasta mudra, that is hand gesture for this is Apan Vayu mudra. First finger at the base of the thumb, middle two finger at the tip of the thumb. The little finger is straight, back straight, neck straight. Take the deep breath in, breathe out. Take the deep breath in, breathe out. Start with a 3-bar Omkar. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your both hands. Keep on the eyes and on the face. Relax. Hypertension. Stress causes increased cortisols, and cortisol causing the increased blood pressure. So yogic practices can reduce your stress hormones, increasing your endorphins, that is happy hormone, will decrease your blood pressure also. As we have seen, that is Hasta Mudra, hand gesture, Apan Vayu Mudra. That can be done anytime, anywhere, when you are in the waiting, seeing the television or talking with anybody or morning walk, you can do that. This is the very good hand gesture or Hasta Mudra when you get very much breathlessness when you are going upstairs or on the hill stations when going up, you can have this mudra. We'll see pranayam for this. A best pranayam for this is Kapalabhati in a medium speed. If you got high BP, do it in a slow speed. That is active exhalation. Active exhalation with Apan Vayu Mudra. First finger at the base of the thumb and middle two finger at the tip of the thumb. Active exhalation, passive inhalation with your eyes closed. Those who are newcomers, please open your eyes, learn it, then close your eyes and do it. This is very good for abdominal problems and it reduces your blocks in the heart. Relax your mind. During this, you can concentrate on navel region. That is Manipur Chakra Dhyan. Meditation on Manipur Chakra, which gives the feeling of satisfaction. When there is a satisfaction in your life, there is no stress and no high BP. This is imaginary lotus with 10 petals with a yellow color of sun rays, with satisfaction in your mind. You must thank God for the good health. Whatever you got is more than your capacity. You must thank God in the morning for the good friends, good family members, good health. This should be done minimum 5 minutes in the morning on empty stomach. After emptying your bowels, take a warm water, half a glass to 1 glass as per your capacity and need, with lemon if it is available, otherwise only warm water. And do this. Those who got high BP, diabetes, or any major illness with that, you can do it twice a day, 20 to 30 minutes in the morning and in the evening. If you want to do in the evening, it should be on an empty stomach, 1 hour before dinner or 3.5 hours after lunch. In this asana, mudra, acupressure can be done with every stroke. Press the thumb with middle 2 fingers. That is acupressure, pranayam, and meditation all together will have synergistic effect and additive effects. So you can do all three together. Thank you. Now we'll see other pranayam for this. To balance the sympathetic and parasympathetic system, Chandra Nadi, Surya Nadi, alternate nostril breathing, which will maintain your blood pressure in the normal levels, mind in a stable level. Alternate nostril breathing can be done in any cross leg position, Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana, Vajrasana, with Vayu Mudra, first finger at the base of the thumb. In Vayu Mudra, you get the benefits of Vayu Mudra and Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. We can do it simply without any kumbhak or bandh. First, we'll see without kumbhak and bandh. Right thumb on the right nostril. Take the deep breath from the left nostril. Then close your left nostril. Exhale from the right nostril. Slowly exhale. Then inhale from the right nostril. Exhale from the left nostril. Inhale from the left nostril. Exhale from the right nostril. Inhale from the right nostril. Exhale from the left nostril. We always start from the left nostril, that is Chandra Nadi. When we'll end, we'll exhale from the left nostril and then stop. This is without kumbhak and bandh. If it done with a kumbhak and bandh, have a additive effects, 10 times more beneficial. So we'll do that. We start from the left nostril. Deep breathe from the left. Stop. Kumbhak, Antar Kumbhak, hold it. Then do the Jalandhar Bandh, that is touching your chin to the chest, and Mula Bandh, that is contract your anal region. With that, genitals are also contracted. That is Jalandhar and Mula Bandh. Hold the breath in till you can. Then when you want to exhale, relax your anal region, your neck straight, and exhale from the right nostril. Then inhale from the right, deep inhalation, then hold it, touch your chin to the chest and contract your anal region with genitals. Then when you want to exhale, relax your genitals and anal region. Neck straight and exhale from the left nostril. That is one cycle. Means inhale from the left, hold it, do the Jalandhar and Mulban. Exhale from the right nostril. And when you exhale completely, inhale from the right, hold it, and do the Jalandhar and Mulban. When you want to exhale, exhale from the right with releasing the all two buns. So this is alternate nostril breathing, Anulom Vilom Pranayam with Kumbhak and Bandh. When you are doing with Kumbhak and Bandh, it has got more than you are only doing with alternate nostril breathing. So this Anulom Vilom with Kumbhak and Bandh got 10 times more benefit than only doing the Anulom Vilom simple. But if you want to do this in the evening, you have to do on empty stomach. Simple Anulom Vilom can be done after meals also. This will clear 72,000 channels in your body. That is nadis in the bodies. Channels in Sanskrit called as nadis. So it is called as Nadi Shodhana Pranayam. If you do regularly, the blocks in the heart are reduced. Your mind is relaxed. Your right and left nostril balances. That is Ida and Pingla or Chandra Nadi and Surya Nadi. Parasympathetic and sympathetic balances. And reduces the stress hormone and increases the happy hormone, that is endorphins. So controls the blood pressure. So do it regularly. Those who got this problem can be do for more time. If you have no problem, then do only for 5 minutes in the morning on empty stomach. That is always beneficial. Thank you. Now we'll do Chandra Bedi Pranayam from the Chandra Nadi. You have to start, hold it, exhale from the right nostril, that is Surya Nadi. Then inhale from the Chandra Nadi again. That is Chandra Bedi Pranayam. We'll see in the Vayu Mudra. Start with left nostril breathing. Hold it. Exhale from the right nostril. Then again, when you want to inhale, inhale from the left nostril. Hold it. Then exhale from the right nostril. There is always a proportion. Counting 4, inhale. Counting 16, hold it. And counting 8, exhale. That is 1:4:2. This is the counting in your Anulom Vilom or alternate nostril breathing also, in this also. But in the beginning, don't worry about the counting. Just inhale, hold it, exhale. More and more, inhale, more and more you hold it, and more time you exhale. As per your capacity, then slowly go to this proportion. Chandra Bedi Pranayam gives a cooling effect. So if done in the summer, will have a cooling effect, relaxing effect. It will decreases the depression and controls the blood pressure. Chandra Bedi Pranayam. Then we'll see Shitali Pranayam. Shitali Pranayam also increases the coldness in your body, decreases the heat in the body. So in summer, this pranayam will always help. Shitali Pranayam. In this Shitali Pranayam, you have to bring your tongue outside, make it as a tube, and inhale from that tube. Then take the tongue inside, hold for some time, breathe inside, and then exhale from the nose. That is Shitali Pranayam in Apana Vayu Mudra. First finger at the base of the thumb, middle two finger at the tip of the thumb. Your tongue out and make it as a tube. Inhale. Tongue inside, feeling the coolness in the mouth, throat, chest, and abdomen. And exhale from the nose. Means This is the pranayam where we inhale from the mouth, exhale from the nose. Normally, we inhale from the nose, exhale from the nose. This is the pranayam here. You are using the tongue for inhaling and making the body cool and calm. Hold it, feeling the coldness in your body, mouth, throat, chest, and abdomen. Exhale from the nose. This can be done 3 to 5 times in the morning on empty stomach. This can be done in the evening also, but on empty stomach is always better. In the summer, you do more. In the winter, you do less. Those who got problem of winter, don't do this. Those who got recurrent sinusitis, sore throat in the winter season, avoid this. This is best for your hypertension, high BP. Means Kapalbhati in the medium speed, then Anulom Vilom, Chandrabedi, Shitali, and then Brahmari can be done in this Brahmari. In Brahmari, we inhale from the nose and do the humming sound while exhaling from the nose. That is Brahmari. In this, any cross-leg position with 1 finger on the forehead, 3 fingers on the eyes, and close your ear with a thumb and inhale from the nose, exhaling with humming sound. Relax. Then Udgi the pranayam in Apan Vayu Mudra. First finger at the base of the thumb, middle 2 finger at the tip of the thumb. Every time I am repeating because you must remember this very good mudra which will control your high BP. Inhale from the nose while exhaling. Open your mouth and pronounce O 3 times. O. Oh. Oh. Relax. We'll make our body ready for the dhyan, meditation. Padmasana or the Padmasana, Sukhasana, whichever asana or whichever cross-leg position you feel okay. In Apan Vayu Mudra, first finger at the base of thumb, middle 2 finger at the tip of the thumb. Back straight, neck straight. Take the deep breath in, breathe out. Take the deep breath in, breathe out. Relax your mind. Relax your body. Relax your toes, feet, ankles, calf muscles, knee joint. Relax, relax, relax. Your both thighs. Relax your all vertebra from below upwards. Relax your right side of the back, left side of the back, abdomen, chest, neck, both shoulders, both hands, Face is relaxed. Chin, lower lip, upper lip, right nostril, left nostril, right cheek, left cheek, right eye, right ear, left ear, forehead, scalp, head. Relax, relax, relax. The more anxiety, more high BP. So we'll relax your Manipur chakra. Whenever there is anxiety or stress, there is something in the abdomen. So we'll relax the Manipur chakra to have a stress-free life. Manipur chakra, it's located at the navel region with lotus with 10 petals with the yellow color of sun rays. Concentrate on Lord Ram, Rama, Lakshmana, Sita, Lord Hanumanta. Its Bij mantra is Ram. Ram for 3 times. Ram, Ram, Ram. Then relax your heart. That is Anahat Chakra Dhyan. Anahat Chakra meditation. Its location on the middle of the chest with 12 petals, means lotus with 12 petals with a green color. See the nature with greenery. Mind is relaxed with love for all, nature, God, and ourselves. The feeling of love with all. Its Bij mantra is Yam. Yam for 3 times. Yam. 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 To make your body relax, mind relax, there is Vishuddhi Chakra Dhyan located in the throat with 16 petals, light blue color. These rays of light blue colors of relaxation spreading to all over the body, on the head, face, shoulder, chest, abdomen, thighs, knees, both calf muscles, ankle, and the feet. Its Bij mantra is Hum. 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 Relax, relax, relax. Mind is relaxed, body is relaxed. Anahat Chakra Dhyan, the center for the bliss. The location at the top of the head with 1,000 petals, lotus with 1,000 petals, violet color, with a feeling of joy, enjoyment all over the body, in every cell of the body. These rays of the joy spreading from top of the head to the tip of the toes, from the shoulders to the tip of the fingers. In every cells of the body, there is a joy feeling. Its Bij mantra is Om. Om for 3 times. Om. Whole body is relaxed with the joy in your body, in each and every cells of the body. Endorphins are increased, stress hormone decreases, controls your high BP with Apan Vayu Mudra. Now come in Anjali Mudra, that is Namaskar. Guru Mantra. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Para Brahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha, Guruve Namaha, Guruve Namaha, Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Lock your hands, stretch with palm facing the sky, that is Parvatasana. Come in Anjali Mudra, Namaskar Sthiti, Sharanagat Mudra, with respect to parents, our teachers, Yoga Guru, and God. You will leave our ego while inhaling, hands up, while exhaling, hands down. Then rub your hands, press on your eyes and face. Thank you. Thank you for joining. If you have got any problem, write in the comment box any comment that may be positive or negative in the comment box. If you like the video, like it, share with your friends, parents, near and dears, and subscribe the channel if you are not subscribed. Press the bell icon so that you can get all notifications. Thank you. Hari Om.